What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. We're watching Jude disassemble a twin-turbo BMW. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of technology in this twin-turbo. Twin intercoolers, coolant hoses and plastic fittings everywhere, mass airflow sensors, 2 mass airflow sensors. I mean, this car is insane. I wonder what it costs to change your alternator belt.
I don't want to know.
Insane. Insane. I bet you it's some stupid labor time, like 20 minutes. I'm going to go look. I'm going to be kind of curious here. Drive belt. Drive belt. Well, let's just try belt. Drive belt. 2011 550i xDrive GT all-wheel drive, 4.4 blah 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 blah. Woo! Look, 2.5 hours for the AC belt and 2 hours just for the serpentine belt. So at BMW's labor rate's got to be close to 200 an hour, right? $500-600 to replace one belt, not including both belts. Woo! Get that in you. Jude's replacing a coil and plug to cylinder 8.
Time to get out.
Thanks for watching.